Hello again. So welcome to Metro Business College Prelim report for web development. Okay. So to begin with, again, I would like to introduce myself to everybody. My name is Antonio N. Misamis Jr., also known as Christine Ann Misamis, taking up Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, third year, second term, attending modular class. My subject for this is web design under Sir Doc Alagos. Okay, so the topic is what is HTML? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language for web page creation. It allows the creations and structure of sections, paragraphs, and links using HTML element, the building block of web page, such as tags and attributes. HTML has a lot of use cases, namely web development. Developer use HTML code to design how a browser display web page elements such as text, hyperlinks, and other media files. Internet navigation, user can easily navigate and insert link between related pages and website as HTML is heavily used to embed hyperlinks. Web documentation, HTML make it possible to organize and format document similarly to Microsoft Word. It is also worth noting that HTML is not considered a programming language as it can create dynamic functionality. It is now considered an official web standard. The World Wide Web Consortium or W3C maintained the developed HTML specification along with providing regular updates. So anatomy of an HTML element, P stands for paragraph, and then with forward slash, it's always, if there's an opening, there is also a closing tab. So inside of it is the content and then the element. The main part of our element are as follows: the opening tag. This consists of the name of the element, in this case, P as paragraph, wrapped in opening and closing angle bracket. This states where the element begin or start to take effect. In this case, where the paragraph begin. Second is the closing tag. This is the same as the opening tag, except that include forward slash, as I mentioned before the element name. This state where the element ends. In this case, where the paragraph ends. Failing to add a closing tag is one of the standard beginning error and can lead to strange result. Number three is the content of the element, which is in this case is just a text. Fourth is the element itself, the opening tags and the closing tags, and the content together comprise the element. Okay, so these are the tags. And these are the descriptions. So later on, we're going to use some of these tags. So most of the tags, we're going to use it. We're going to use this HTML tag, head, title, body, this unordered, I'll show also unordered list and order list. And then, as I was saying, the paragraphs. Okay, so almost all tags here. We'll try to use it later. I do recorded sample coding. So this is how it look like. Okay, and I'll show you more later. I've been using uh, uh, some apps to encode before, and I'll show you later. So let's try to code. So stay there and please keep watching as I did a pre-recorded sample coding. Okay, let me start. Here it goes. It's like 23 minutes recording. Okay, guys. Hi, hello. This is Christine Ann, also known as Christine Ann. So now let's start now trying to code, okay? So first of all, let me share to you what other app that you can use for coding. Is one I've used before, which means Notepad plus plus. Okay, so I try to learn coding before as well. This is how it look like. The second one is Sublime. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Yes, one. Okay. But for today's report, we're just gonna use Notepad. I already draft some text. What we're gonna put for the report. Okay. We'll start with a very basic. So this is untitled. So I'm going to say very fresh notepad without any other title. So you need to name first or type angle bracket, um, then doc type HTML, and the opening remark is this one, HTML, and then there is a closing tag as well for that. For the head, mean to say this will be the title when you click it and launch it to the browser. So let me put the title as I have a cheat sheet here as well. So Metro Business. Yeah, okay. That would be the head. Okay. And then if there is a head, there should be the body. Okay, that is the most important. So this Metro Business College should be on the top, will be the name of the notepad. Okay, and H1 need to be combined with a closing tag of slash H1 as well. So let's name it Metro Business College. Okay, and then P is for paragraph. Okay, so below that, let's try to put our subject, and this the purpose of this. So this is for web development subject prelim report. And VR is usually stands for page break or spaces between two lines. Okay. Then H1, it can be until I believe until F6. This will be the headers. So uh H1 is the biggest, then H2 will be the sub headers, then go on and go on until I think H6. Okay. So we have the subheader. It will be the introduction. Let us put also a page, paragraph. Let's start same way in my introduction. It's 5. Okay. So let me put my name. Then my year. Just to make the video fast, so I already draft it as a cheat sheet to other notepad. So we can maximize the time. Third year. Like development. We have okay, hold on. So, should be here. Administration. Then examples. Then web development. And something. Then we put a break. Okay, then we'll put the third headers. Okay. No, choose this one. It's a third header. So this is my web development film report. Then let's put a body, a paragraph inside the third header. Uh, if you don't have anything to write or can think about what you need to put here, you can try to type this one. Let me stop sharing. Let me share it to you guys. This one. This is Lauren Ipsum. Okay. This is used for graphic print and publishing industry previewing layout of visual code to avoid fraudulence. This is acceptable, especially for just project. Okay, let me share the screen again. Let's share. Okay, let me place it here. Oops. Okay. Open here more. Okay. Now we have a very basic. What else do we need to do? We have the line break and let's put a comment. Okay. So comment will not be visible. Let me just give you an example. Let me run it this first. Okay. You need to save it first. Okay. To run it to the web, let me test the HTML. I have pre-saved a folder as well. Okay. Now, oh, let me check first. University. This should be still here. Here, in line. Okay. Yeah. Okay, all right. Let me stop sharing so you can see here. When I open it here, you can see it's already a web. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay. From the notepad, you run it. Okay. And then the last thing here, this is the very basic. Okay. The last thing that we need to put here is stop sharing. Share again the notepad there. Let's put some comments. Comments is your notations. So comment is comment. This is exclamation point, then dash dash, the title page. Title. Okay, so you can have a reference. If you remove the exclamation point, and then let's save it again, and then let's run it again. And then stop sharing. Share. Share. Okay. Let's run again. Wait. Let me just stop sharing. So remember, um, we try to put a comment, then we save it. It's not showing on the title. You can see there, right? Here. Now, this is the title. But when you put um here, okay, if you can notice, you can see there is, because I don't put exclamation, you see the notations, okay? But it should be invisible. So let's stop share. Okay. Share notepad. Okay. So just put an exclamation. Okay. This is the body. So when you try to debug it in the future, this will um, introduction. Okay, let's save it. Ready to replace. Okay, let's try to share this. Share, stop sharing. And then let me share again this one. Okay. Then if you can see, we put some comment, but this doesn't show here anymore. Okay. So this will be the basic for web HTML. Okay. What else I need to share is doing a space. Okay. So let me share my notepad again, share. Oh, yeah. Okay. So for example, this is the one. Let's put a paragraph. Hold on. So you can see and the bond, and the bracket, we have closing first. Ugh. So, consumption, I know, um, I know, well, the sign, okay? Okay. Uh, Let me see this again. What is the difference here? Okay, then have sharing, share again. This one, the folder, and then let me run it. If you see, they are all from compressed. So what's the solution for that? Here, let me stop sharing. Okay, let me share again the notepad. Okay, share. Okay, for spaces, we can use this tag. This one. Okay, and BSP. Okay, so um, okay, secret and okay, stop sharing. Let's try to run it. Here, let's try to run it. Okay, so if you can see before, it is compressed, right? Now it's have more spaces, right? Okay, so the last one be sharing to you is uh, an order and unordered list. So far, we already discussed HTML element, title, line break, comments, spaces, and now let's see, put um, an order and order list. So for our an order list, a tag that we're gonna use is angle bracket UL as in order list. Then there is a closing of LI. LI and with closing as well. Slash LI. And our an order bracket should have a closing as well. Slash. Okay. So you can just copy this. One, two, three, four. One, let's look at that. Oops. Let's say Monday, Tuesday, oops, Thursday, Friday, right? Okay. Okay, so that's end of the pre-recorded. Okay, so let's move. So this is the final product of the coding that we did. It just happened for some reason because of sharing. I haven't you haven't seen this one. This is uh the UL, which is unorganized and organized. And then this one would be the spaces. You see, they are not compressed already. So next exam, which is the midterm, we're gonna try to furnish it. We're gonna put some designs and arrange it more. Okay, so see how nice it is. This is the basic one. Okay. So this ends my report for my prelim. So again, I would like to thank Metro Business College as well as Sir Doc Alagos. And thank you everybody. I hope you learned something and always remember knowledge is power. Thank you so much again and have a nice day.